Hello friends, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm filming this on a Sunday. I just got home from church and I'm going to make Paleo Pumpkin Pancakes for all of my family who are coming after church. This is a recipe that is on my blog. I will link to it, and I'm sort of following along because I make this primarily in the fall, and fall is in the air and I'm ready for some pumpkin. So what we're going to do, these are pancakes and they are paleo. There's no flour. The recipe calls for almond butter. I did not have any, so I'm using good drippy Costco peanut butter, which I love. You can use your favorite, but I'm preheating the oven to 350. I have lined a baking sheet with parchment paper. I'm making a double batch, but on the recipe that is on the blog, it will use half of what I'm going to be using. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to place my peanut butter and my pumpkin. The pumpkin, I went ahead, I took it out of the can and I put it in the fridge while I was at church. It would have been fine, I'm sure, but I just left the peanut butter out. For the pumpkin, you want to make sure that you are using pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling. So this is pure canned pumpkin. I'm gonna whisk my eggs, vanilla, and honey in a smaller bowl, and I'm just gonna use this paper bowl right here. So I'm gonna break my eggs. This recipe, it's got quite good reviews. I've had it on the blog for quite some time. There was a period of time a few years ago that paleo was the big thing, especially if you were like in CrossFit. A lot of people still do paleo. I think paleo is great. There's your vanilla, and then you can use honey or maple syrup. I'm gonna use maple syrup, and we're gonna mix that together, and then we're gonna mix everything in. We're mixing the wet ingredients, even though pumpkin and peanut butter are sort of wet. We're just wanting to break up these eggs. I always like to break up my eggs before adding to anything because some yolks are tough. So I like to do that separately. Got baking soda and pumpkin pie spice. Love pumpkin pie spice. So we're just now gonna mix this up. It says mix with a hand mixer, and then we're gonna scoop it out. It's that easy. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and get a hand mixer just where they will be super smooth. One thing that I do love about these pancakes is you bake them. So you do not have to stand over the stove one at the time. Very easy. I mean, anything that I do after church for my kids to come over, it's got to be easy, and they're gonna go bonkers over these. They've had these before when they were younger. These are just fantastic. They're delicious. They've got great fall flavor. There's some carbs in there, but they're paleo. Yeah, you're gonna want a good little hand mixer just to get this smooth. I honestly probably could have tripled this recipe. In fact, I think I'm gonna redo this recipe with larger portions because boy, it just doesn't make a ton. Now I do smaller pancakes. They're not the big fat ones, but still, this is a double portion, and I think people are gonna want more. But we're serving this with a lot of other things. And then there is a glaze that goes on it. We're gonna make that too. So here we go. I'm doing the parchment where we will have no mess. They'll lift right off. I'll tell you guys what I think I'm gonna do. I need to get a bigger scoop, 1/4. Here's 1/4. These are the perfect size for my littles, and they will love these. One is 1 year old, and the other is about to be 1. Yeah, this is plenty, guys. It doesn't look like much in the bowl. These have peanut butter, eggs, pumpkin, so they're rich, and then there's going to be a nice maple pecan glaze. These really, if you have guests during the fall, this is an impressive breakfast. This is like something, you know, you would order like at a specialty cafe or nice restaurant. Paleo pumpkin pancakes. Okay, mind you, I have always made these with almond butter. The only reason I'm using the peanut butter is because I I don't have almond butter. I gotta go to Trader Joe's today. But I believe now paleo you can do peanut butter. Maybe not, but I know almond butter is excellent in these. And if I'd had it, I would have used it. And the good thing is, you see how easy this was? Get your ingredients together, assemble, mix, and bake. And then while they're baking, and I think it just takes 10 minutes, you get your glaze mixed up and you just serve it on the side. I think these are going to spread a smidge. My wedding ring is falling right off. So I used my little spatula to get the last bit. So there we go. Into the oven we go. Paleo Pumpkin Pancakes, Family Savvy. I'm Googling my own recipe on this other phone because that's a good tip. If any recipe of mine you can just Google. Okay, so pecans, maple syrup, coconut oil. I'm doubling this too. So 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Half a cup of maple syrup. I'm supposed to be blending this. I'm going to use my immersion blender and I'm going to melt the coconut oil. Let me get my pecans. You know what? We are going to put this in the Vitamix. Reason being, all these pecans, this is a fine consistency. So here is the coconut oil, 1.5 cups of pecans. Yeah, you're going to want to use a blender. So 1.5 cups of pecans, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. Need a little more. Y'all, I'm going to Costco today, now that it's fall, and I'm going to get a humongous maple syrup. 1/2 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and some salt. We're going to do 1, 2 big ones, and some salt. And I always link to Redmond's Real Salt. It is not white, it is pink. It has got specks of brown, of gold, not gold, minerals galore. We're gonna mix this up and we show you what it looks like. We're just gonna put it in a bowl. Here we go. So Vitamix, and we are going to press this. Look at that, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. That's gorgeous. Hello, there's my angel. There's an angel. She's gonna eat one of these pancakes. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you the glaze. And the pancakes are almost ready. They're puffing up. Friends, I promise you, if you make these, you will be delighted. They're so good. I'm going to put the glaze in this because y'all, it's so beautiful and you want to drizzle it. So I recommend, and I link to everything, not because the few cents affiliate earnings really matter, but because I want you all to have everything you need and because someone will ask. So I will find this gravy boat or similar and link to it. So here we have this fabulous maple pecan butter. And this is what you pour over the Paleo Pumpkin Pancakes. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that needs to be scraped because that is gold. That is gold. Woo, oh no. What am I doing? I flat out missed the gravy boat. I'll clean this up. What in the world have we there? So the good thing about this is you can also make all of this the day before. I just thought of this last night, or I would have had this made and the pancakes would be made and I would just heat them through. Let me see where we are with the pancakes. We're almost there. One thing while we're waiting, you could also freeze these. Where are the reviews? Oh, there's 2 and they just gave stars. 4.5 stars. I would love if any of you ever make one of my recipes. I love comments and reviews, and I love them when I'm shopping or when I'm cooking off of other people's blogs. We always appreciate those. I'm having everyone over for brunch, and yesterday I did the meat ahead of time. So this is Kaneka sausage. It's all brown and ready to just be heated for about a minute in the microwave and it'll render more fat. So delicious. And then I always keep bacon cooked and frozen. Same thing. I just hit it with a little microwave and it's ready to go. That's the hardest, messiest part of breakfast and I always do it ahead. This sourdough bread is excellent. It is San Francisco sourdough. It's Izio, and it has real sourdough fermented, and it's great slices. So I'm gonna let everybody make their own. Here's the bacon that I'm about to reheat, and these pancakes are just about ready. I'm just popping in to show y'all. I got these mostly cooked and then put them in the warming drawer before church. So I'm just sort of showing you all how you can sling a little food quickly after church and feed your family. So here we go. Paleo Pumpkin Pancakes. Easy breezy, delicious, moist. Top with the Maple Pecan Butter, and people will feel all the feels of fall. They will not have any carb consciousness. They can enjoy their biscuit, and you have a fabulous thing they've never had before until they ate it at your house. So I hope you enjoyed this, my friends. If you enjoy my content, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I love helping you in any way that I can with your home and making your life more savvy. And as always, I shall be back. But until then, you be blessed and stay savvy.